Hey guys, Martin from Martin Rebuilds here. I got 2 tips for you when installing the LED lit Ford emblem. I'm going to show you 2 things. Number 1, you can make the animated logo work from the factory Ford logo if you bought it from Ford. Number 2, there's a T-harness that comes with that you can tie into. You just need to change a couple of the wires and it'll allow you to have the LED emblem to come on with the headlights, not all the time with power like they tell you to in some of the videos. This is that Putco emblem. It's actually made by Putco. This one's the Ford branded one. If you turn it over and you look, I've already pulled this cover back away from here. There's a green wire inside these, and this green wire is actually cut. And they actually already had a piece of heat shrink tubing on this one. I didn't do that, that was there. So all you have to do is solder or connect, however you want to do it, those 2 wires back together and the animation will work. I'm going to show you this T-harness that allows you to, and which pinouts to be able to use to make this work with the headlights on. Here's our T-harness. I've already pulled the wire loom protectant off this so you can see it a little bit better. This is the wire that goes down and connects to the actual connector on the headlight, and you'll probably have to extend that because this is going to the headlight harness. One end of this plugs into your headlight, the other end plugs in where what would normally plug into your headlight. So it's just a connector. These 2 red and black wires are running up here to this side, but that's not the correct ones for the Lightning. That might work for an F150. These are the correct 2, are just adjacent from it. So the ones on the bottom are dead, the ones on the top are hot with the headlights on. So if you'll take and cut these 2 wires here and tie them back into this top set of wires, you'll be able to have a LED emblem come on with your headlights. There's a couple of videos out there that show you how to put it in, so I'm not going to make a full install video. It's pretty straightforward, but that should help get you a better experience with your LED emblem.